Samsung has made several changes to its smartphones over time, sometimes removing features that were once considered essential. From the IR blaster to the included charger, certain elements have disappeared. More recently, some users have noticed a downgrade in the S Pen, sparking concerns that Samsung might eventually get rid of it entirely. However, the company has now addressed these worries, confirming that the S Pen is not going anywhere. Annika Bison, Vice President of Product and Marketing for Samsung's Mobile Experience division in the UK, spoke with TechRadar and reassured users that the S Pen will continue to be part of Samsung's premium smartphone lineup. She explained that the company focuses on offering multiple ways to interact with devices, whether through touch, voice, or writing. Many users still rely on the S Pen for taking notes, drawing, or making precise selections, and she emphasized that it remains an important part of the Samsung experience. According to her, the S Pen will continue to play a key role in Samsung's top-tier models, particularly the Ultra series. Bison also noted that a significant number of customers specifically ask about the S Pen when considering an Ultra model. This demand has been consistent since the days of the Galaxy Note series, showing that the stylus is more than just an extra feature. It's something users actively seek out. Based on this statement, it is almost certain that the Galaxy S26 Ultra, expected to launch next year, will still come with a built-in S Pen. Another topic that came up during the interview was the impact of artificial intelligence on the need for a stylus. With AI-powered tools making tasks like drawing and note-taking more automated, some might think the S Pen is becoming less relevant. However, Bison disagreed, emphasizing that Samsung remains committed to creativity and innovation. She highlighted a feature called Sketch to Image, which allows users to turn their hand-drawn sketches into refined digital images with the help of AI. Instead of replacing the S Pen, AI features like this actually enhance its usefulness, giving users more creative possibilities. She also pointed out that for professionals and artists, having a stylus still provides an unmatched level of precision and control. Although Samsung has made it clear that the S Pen is here to stay, it's worth noting that some small changes have already been made. The latest version of the stylus has a slightly higher latency compared to previous models, which means it may feel a little less responsive to users who have been using Samsung stylus for years. While this might be a downside for some, it doesn't seem to signal the end of the S Pen. Despite these minor adjustments, Samsung appears committed to keeping the S Pen as part of its flagship devices. Given how closely it is tied to the Ultra series and how many users consider it an essential feature, it's unlikely that Samsung will remove it anytime soon. For those who are worried about its future, there's no immediate reason for concern. Do you think the S Pen is still as useful as before? Or do AI-powered tools make it less necessary? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news.